My dear friend, I am Vijay Kumar Pal, an author. I have written so many books. So we are discussing about the Kashmir, how the Kashmir was devastated by the Islamic goons. Goons means gunda. Yes, every true Muslim the Islamic goon. That is gunda, because according to Islam he is goon. Then if Allah patronize him as a goon or the gunda, that every true Muslim is the goon. Because Islam allows the killing, rapes, and the looting of the wealth of the non-Muslims. This is the real Islam. What is the real Islam? Real Islam is the terrorism, Goonism. So what cause of the terrorism in the Jammu Kashmir? Cause of terrorism. This is my some book, Lost Paradise Kashmir. You will purchase it. Now, main part is that why the people are doing Islamic jihad against kafirs in Jammu and Kashmir. Terrorist Islamic, this land of Jammu Kashmir belong to the Muslims. This perception is totally false. Because it is questioned that Vedic Sanatan culture older than any cult, including Islam. Islam has originated by only few hundreds years ago, 1410 or 12 years ago. When Muhammad Sahib was 40 years old, he was born in Makkah in a non-Muslim family. Even his family members were not Muslims. Because at that time even Prophet and Allah had no link, and Allah and Prophet were not introduced new cult to their followers. So Muhammad Vigd was the Rasul of Islam in 610 AD. He was born in Mecca in 570 AD and died on June 8, 632 AD in Medina. At that time, even Prophet might not be known as India, because first attack by Muslims invaders in 700/710 AD by Muhammad bin Qasim, the Muslim invader, after the death of 8632 of the Muhammad Sahib, not the 32, yes, 632. Almost 78 years. So this is clear that Muhammad Sahib and the Muslim were not known to India, even though the Greeks were in contact of India. Because Alexander Philip or the Sikandar attack on the India 326 before Christ, at that time even Christianity was not prevailed in the world. Then how Kashmir is the land of the Muslims? This is a great fraud and the lie which is spreading by these terrorists. And were or I fighting for Muslims? This holy land of Kashmir, the land of Rishi Kashyapa and Jammu by a Hindu king. Kashmir was encroached by the violent Islamic saint and bloodthirsty sword of the barbaric